Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the recommended tire pressure by the manufacturer, which happens to be Jeep. And I'm going to explain a few things to you along the way and what to look for. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So typically what people do is that they'll walk over to their tire and say, all right, what is the correct tire pressure to put in their tire? This happens to be a Wrangler Goodyear tire. It's a door track tire. And on this particular tire, Goodyear recommends a maximum 51 PSI on the tire. So, like I said, what Goodyear recommends is going to be a little bit different. Now, usually it's a little bit different than what the manufacturer recommends. So I'll show you how to find what Jeep recommends on this vehicle to give the vehicle the best ride going down the road. Usually the air pressure is a little bit different than what the tire manufacturer recommends, but not always. So you always want to kind of double check. And the way to find that on your Wrangler is to open the door, and on the edge of the door right here, you're going to see a sticker. And the sticker is going to say, you know, the original tire size, which is right there, and then the cold tire inflation pressure. So on the front, they recommend 35 PSI, and on the rear tire, 35 PSI. And there's a spare tire PSI here too. So on the spare tire, they also recommend 35 PSI. So when I purchased the Wrangler, all four tires were blown up. It's like 50 PSI, and the thing rode kind of like a brick. So I lowered it down to what Jeep recommended per the label on the sticker that's on the door that I just showed you. Rides a lot better now, a lot smoother on the road. And I just wanted to pass along this information to you so you could find it and know how much air pressure to put in your tire if your tire was running low. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.